Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to rotate Tesla Model Y performance tires. Proper tire rotation is crucial for extending the life of your tires and maintaining your vehicle's handling characteristics. We'll cover why rotation is important, when to perform it, and the specific patterns suitable for performance vehicles. Following these guidelines helps ensure even wear, saving you money and keeping your Tesla driving smoothly and safely. Rotating your tires regularly is vital because it promotes even wear across all four tires. This prevents premature wear on specific tires, which can lead to reduced traction and compromised handling. For most vehicles, including many performance models, a rotation interval of about 6,250 miles or every 6 months is recommended. Always consult your Tesla Model Y owner's manual for the most accurate and specific guidance. For Tesla Model Y performance tires, the rotation pattern depends on your specific setup. If your tires are non-directional and all four are the same size, a simple front-to-back rotation on the same side is often recommended. However, if you have a staggered setup with different front and rear tire sizes, or if your tires are directional, rotation is typically not advised. In these cases, focus on regular inspection and maintaining correct tire pressure. When rotating tires, safety is paramount. You'll need a sturdy jack, at least 2 jack stands, and a torque wrench to ensure lug nuts are tightened correctly. Always perform this task on a flat, stable surface. After lifting the vehicle and rotating the tires, tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is often around 129 foot-pounds for Tesla vehicles. Double-check all lug nuts before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.